So this is gold 5-minute. I'm about to enter a sell for these reasons. First price, let's talk about the drop before the market close. This is the 5-minute time frame. We have let me get the pen. We have resistance up here, price respecting that. And so it dropped, gave us 3 pushes. 1, 2, 3, created some minor support. Price is now pushing up. 3 pushes, 1, 2, and the third push should come towards this minor resistance right here. Once it reaches that, I will be taking a sell to continue dropping. And the reason is gold has been dropping nicely today. Respected a strong resistance on the higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, daily time frame. So I'll be back to show you guys the after of all of this I just showed you. Peace. So here we go. This is the follow-up of the previous video. I was telling you guys about the resistance that was built. Price pushed down, gave us 3 pushes. Minor support was created. Gave us 3 pushes up into this minor resistance right here. And then I was going to take a sell after the third push right here was done. And as you can see, it is happening as analyzed. I saw this coming. The 3 pushes happen no matter what, no matter the time frame. You just got to know when to spot them.